second. Okay, buddy, you can start whenever you're ready.
Hello, everybody. My name is Linh, and I'm from class Discover 5. I don't even know my class, sorry. And today I would like to talk about how does dolphin communicate. So first is the communication between animals of the same species. So they can slap the tail and flipper to warn other dolphins about nearby danger and to watch out for predators. They can also teach each other skills to find foods. When fishing, dolphins chase their prey, usually a fish, into empty snail shells, trapping them. Then they stick their nose into the shell, tip it upward above the water, and shake their dinner loose. Male dolphins can make friends with each other. Many researchers have shown unrelated males team up in groups of 2 or 3. This can improve their chance to find and breed with females, which lives in their own family-based pods. Several of these males will sometimes form larger, second-level alliances, some of which can last their lifetimes. Male dolphins can also attract female dolphins by use physical displays to attract female dolphins. Male dolphins arch their head up and bob up and down above the surface near a female. They then flex and raise their head, tail or rostrum above the surface of the water. They can also catch females with gifts of large marine sponges before mating. Mama's dolphin can teach the baby's signature whistle. Researchers have suggest that mother's dolphin can teach the babies a signature whistle right before birth and in the 2 weeks after. Secondly, is communication between animals of different species. First is hunting, fishing, and finding food. Echolocation provides the dolphins with an ability to measure its location and assess the presence of nearby structures. And second is to survey the predators. Dolphins use spy hopping skills that allow them to raise vertically their head above the surface of water so that they can get a better view for watching the rivals. Lastly is communication between humans and animals. They can help human training and exploring, also researching. Because of dolphins' intelligence, many Navy from many countries train dolphins for military purposes like spying. Dolphins can see with sonar, and this ability is called echolocation. Sound travels much better in the water than light does, so dolphins can sense the surroundings with sound. They can also help for entertainment purposes, because dolphins have a large brain, so they can be trained to practice particular complex tasks in the entertainment industry. And they can also make friends with humans. Thank you for listening. Are there any questions that you would like to ask?
Yes, I've got a question that I would like to ask. In reference to communication with animals, communication with humans, and you said that they could be trained for military and entertainment purposes. What are your personal thoughts on this? What do you think about dolphins being used in the military and for entertainment purposes? And why do you think that?
In my opinion, is that they can, because dolphins usually swim under the water, and many countries which don't have high security, they cannot find a dolphin, because dolphin normally they can have a camera attached on their flipper, so they usually their flipper usually put under the water. So many Navy or military bases cannot find out about this.
Okay, yeah, that I understand that, but the question I'm asking you is, what do you think about dolphins being used for military and entertainment purposes? What's your feelings on it? How do you feel about it? Do you think it's a good thing? Do you think it's a bad thing? And if you think it's a good or a bad thing, why do you think that?
I think it is a good thing because we can increase the bond between humans and dolphin, which they can cooperate with us to exploring and discovering many more new things in the sea.
Okay, good. Does anyone else have any more questions for Viet Linh? Okay, you can wrap up your presentation for me then, please, Viet Linh.
This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.